Hi, Mrs. Jones. My name is Morgan Oakes. I'm a student physical therapist. Today I wanted to talk to you about the open wound you have here on your leg. I just want to take a moment and talk to you about the healing process and some potential complications that you may have. So there are a lot of factors that can affect your healing, and that can range from medications you're taking, circulation, if you're a diabetic, even the food you're eating and your nutrition. So if you're malnourished or you're not eating the proper foods, you can see an increase in complications with healing. And that can range from infection to just the overall healing process and the wound not closing. So basically the body cells require energy to function. And especially with a healing process like this, it's a pretty strenuous activity or process for the body. So the body uses carbohydrates as our primary source of fuel. So we want to make sure we're getting enough. If you're not getting an adequate amount of carbohydrates, the body's going to result to using protein for energy. However, protein is needed for a stage later in healing, the cell regeneration and repair stage. So if you don't have enough carbs, then your body uses up those proteins, then later stages are going to be affected. And not only do you need carbs and proteins, you're also going to need vitamins and minerals too. There's also a risk of malnutrition with alcohol and drug abuse, so I really want to encourage you to avoid those risky behaviors in general, but especially right now during the healing process. If you have any questions about your diet, I would definitely encourage you to see a nutritionist or a dietitian. They'd be really helpful in organizing a meal plan, answering any kind of questions, and also just keeping you accountable with your food intake and helping you along the way with the process. Any more questions? Okay, great, thanks.